Hello, if you are wondering what charger should you use for iPhone 16e, then let me quickly answer the question. So in terms of the power for the charger, we can read it at the back of the box. The recommended charger should have between 4.5 up to 26 watts. Of course, if you have a stronger charger or power adapter, then it still should be fine, but technically there is no point of exceeding that amount of watts because the phone will not use it anyway. So even if you have, for example, 50 watts power adapter, then it will still be capped at 26 when you connect your iPhone 16e to that power adapter. So ideally you want to use, of course, 26 watts or something similar to that, and of course also ideally you want to use an original Apple power adapter or charger. So if possible, get it and use that one. If not, the second best choice is probably other well-known brand that has USB-C input in their charger or power adapter, such as Samsung charger or Motorola charger, Xiaomi charger, etc. These will do work as well. But of course, the Apple charger will most likely be most optimized for charging your iPhone, so keep that in mind. And it is not recommended to use unknown brands that you can buy for just a couple of pennies, really. You should be able to get only the well-known brands, pretty much, just to be safe. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!